Welcome to our channel. This is the sweetest, the most tasty dish of the sweet dishes. As you can see, the recipe may be changed rationally according to this ratio. It is of natural ingredients. No chemical is used in this preparation. It can be used for many days. It can be eaten for many days by keeping it into your freezer. Its taste will grow more as you keep it in your freezer for more time. It is hygienic food. It can be served with tea. It helps to avoid bakery items. Its side effect: if you serve your guests with this dish, they will eat the whole quantity you put before them and will demand for more. Now let us see how it is to be prepared. First of all, 5 items: eggs, sugar, milk, nariyal and almonds are to be mixed. After mixing these 5 items, keep it aside into a separate utensil, pot, or in the same pot in which you mixed it. Mix milk and sugar cane with the help of a grinder. The nariyal, the almonds, now keep this mixture aside and start the other operation of baking the gram flour with the ghee. The ghee will take 1 or 2 minutes, and then put the gram flour into the ghee. Mix it The process should be continued with a moderate heat. It will take approximately 10 to 12 minutes. After approximate 10 minutes, it will start emitting a sweet smell of gram flour. When you take the smell of gram flour frying, then mix the other mixture of eggs, sugarcane, milk, with it. Now it will take 2 to 3 minutes to be ready. Two things will appear. First, it will be danced and its color will appear to be brownish. When you feel it has become danced and its color has appeared to be brownish, then it means your sweet dish is ready. Take it, leave it to be cool, and then keep it in your freezer. You can use it for many days. When it become cool, take it, taste it, and enjoy it. With the passage of time, its taste will grow more in your freezer. Take the quantity you want to eat and enjoy.